This will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra versus the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Now the S22 Ultra has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip with 12 gigs of RAM on Android 12 in its latest version of One UI 4.1. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 has the Snapdragon 888, also with 12 gigs of RAM, also on Android 12 on its latest version of One UI 4.0. So let's go ahead and turn on both phones here at the same time. See which one will have the faster boot up, and let's go. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra versus Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 speed test comparison. Which phone will have the faster boot up? Let's find out right meow. Let's see what happens. And let's see, oh, S22 Ultra I think. Uh-oh, what's going on? S22 Ultra? Maybe the Z Fold 3? Oh! And as you can see, the S22 Ultra faster here on the boot up. So let's go ahead and wait for the Z Fold 3 here. You can do it, Z Fold 3. You have to do it, or else how am I gonna speed test you? Come on, let's go. Here we go. Oh, look at that wallpaper. Look at that animation on the Z Fold 3. That butterfly. Oh, it's so nice. I'm telling you, this foldable display, I'm telling you, it's amazing. And we are in. All right, man, let's just get right into the test. I'm gonna do this on both phones. And as you can see, no recently used apps on both devices. All apps, caches, the browsers, everything has been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Identical. Messages. Identical again. What is this? Get rid of this pop-up. We don't need that right now. The camera. I'm gonna pick up both phones. Now this might be a challenge on the fold because, well, obviously it's a big phone when folded open, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it like this and see which one has a faster camera launch. Both identical. Couldn't really tell the difference. Slow down the video for me on YouTube and let me know in the comments. Fire up the clock on both phones. Identical again. Start it up and let that run in the background. Calculator. Oh, identical again. Play Store. And again, we have a tie. Let's see. I'm gonna click on something here. What am I gonna click on? What am I gonna click on? What am I gonna click on? I'm just gonna click on this. Just two random things. Leave it right there. Amazon shopping. Whoops, mistouch. My bad. We'll do that again. Go. Ooh, so close. Maybe that was the S22 Ultra. Let me know in the comments. Click on this. Click on this. We'll go ahead and leave it on this page, eBay. Ooh, very close again. I think that was actually the fold, but let me know in the comments. Click on this. Very nice. Super Mario Run. Let's go. All right, loading on both phones. And what will happen right now? Ooh, we'll give the win to the Z Fold 3. We'll tap to begin. Very nice. Subway Surf. Let's see. Loading on both phones. And oh, so close. I think that was a draw, but let me know on YouTube in the comments. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Let's see. Starting up and logging in. All right, which one is gonna be quicker here? Ooh, the fold. Out in front, will the S22 catch up? Nope, we'll give the win to the Z Fold 3 on this. I'm telling you, man, look at this display on the Z Fold and just compare the two. I'm telling you, this display, whoo, it's amazing, man. Whoops, amazing. And then we'll do it this way. CSR Racing 2. All right, we'll put it back this way. All right, let's go, come on. Ooh, hearing noise here from the S22 first. Let's see. Oh, and I can't tell a difference. I don't know. I think the Z Fold 3 might be a little bit faster. Can't tell a difference. Modern Combat 5. And I think both are about the same. I see no difference. Well, let's see, extracting files, which one will come out ahead here? Let's see. Oh, I think the Z Fold's ahead. Yup, we'll give the win to the Z Fold on this. Whoops. And of course, we do have PUBG Mobile. Let's go. 10-cent games. Here we go. Crafting. Get rid of that. Oh, which one's faster here? Wasn't paying attention there for a second, can't tell. Okay, here we go. We got the Z Fold 3 out in front. Looks like the Z Fold. Yup, we'll give the win to the Z Fold on this. As you can see, Twitter. Identical. Get rid of this. I think that was a Z Fold actually, but let me know in the comments. IG. Identical again. Snapchat. Whew. About the same. And we do have Chrome on both phones. All right, we'll do a quick Google search. Let's see, I don't know. What am I gonna search for right now? What's in my mind? I know. Let's just do a random search on this. Carbon fiber. I don't know, that's just what came up in my head. I do like carbon fiber. Anything carbon fiber, I want it. We'll do a search on carbon fiber. We'll do image search. As you can see, we'll pinch to zoom. And you can do that quite easily on both phones. I'm telling you, with the 120 display, whoo, buttery smooth. Okay, let's check it out. We'll click on this. Let's see. We'll click on this. Let's see, click on this. Let's see. Oh, this looks interesting. Is that really carbon fiber? Looks like a sticker. There you go, that's some vinyl carbon, fake carbon fiber. Let's see, what else am I gonna click on? Let's see. One more, let's do one more pick. We'll click on this one. There we go, we'll pinch to zoom. And again, the 120 display is super fast. The scrolling here, gotta say, with this display, I mean, look at how much more content you see on this display here on Z Fold 3. Of course, obviously it's the bigger display, but I mean, yeah, just the browsing here, the media consumption on the Z Fold is just truly outstanding. And obviously it folds to a more compact size. Granted, the phone is a little bit thicker, you know, but still, I mean, it's a beautiful piece of technology, in my opinion. All right, that's enough of that. Let's go ahead and check out the RAM management on both phones. Everything's in the background, as you can see. All right, we'll just run through these apps again. And we'll have a look for any lags, any stutters. We'll document, or if there's none, then there's none. The PUBG is good to go. And then let's see, I'm confused now. Modern Combat 5. Both are reconnecting to the game. Not a reload, it's just reconnecting. It's a Wi-Fi thing, so there you go. And then the CSR Racing. Again, right where we left off. Press OK. You can continue to play. Very nice. This one. Good to go on both. No issues. Subway Surf. Resume. 3 seconds and you're playing. That's what I want to say. Mario Run. Mario Time on both. eBay. Same place. Amazon. Same place. No lags. Play Store. No lags. Calculator. Wow. Zooming right through this test. The clock. Still running the stopwatch. I've never seen this reload on any phone, no matter how much RAM. I've never seen it happen. Now the camera. Now with the Z Fold being a big phone, this part can get a little tricky, but we'll do it this way. And I don't know, it's about the same. Maybe the Z Fold 3 actually. Let me know in the comments. Messages. There you go. And finally, the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. My fellow Samsung Knights! If you're a hardcore Note fan, how do you feel about Samsung eliminating the Note and merging the Note and the S series, and now we have the S22 Ultra? Personally, I don't mind. I like it. I personally call this phone the S22 Ultra Note. That's why I like to call it. So yeah. If you have a Galaxy Z Fold 3, how do you like this phone? How's the screen holding up for you? Like the folding mechanism? Any creaks? Any rattles, anything like that? How's the durability of this phone with everyday use? Let me know in the comments below. Mine's been holding up fine. I love it. I love the foldable display. Consuming media, like I said earlier, is amazing on this device. And we'll check it out real quick. You know, it folds to a more compact size. So it's kind of like the best of both worlds. You get the big screen, you get a compact phone when it's folded. Now it is a little bit thick, right? But you know, it's okay. I like it. I like the fold. So anyway, let me know what you thought about this test in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.